In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage bookkeeping with QuickBooks Online. We'll start with your initial setup, because getting this right will save you a lot of time later. First, create your QuickBooks Online account and set up your company profile. Enter your basic business information, like your business name, address, and what industry you're in. This helps QuickBooks suggest default settings and accounts that fit the type of work you do. Next, connect your business bank accounts and credit cards. When you link those accounts, QuickBooks will automatically import your transactions, which means less manual data entry for you. Take your time with this step and make sure you're only connecting business accounts. Then, customize your chart of accounts. This is the list of all the categories you'll use to track income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. QuickBooks gives you a starting point, but you should adjust it so it matches how your business actually operates. For example, you might add specific income categories for different services or expense categories for advertising, software, or travel. It's also essential to keep personal and business finances separate. Make sure you have a dedicated business bank account and credit card and only run business activity through those. This makes your books cleaner and your reports much more accurate. Once the basics are set up, you'll move into recording and categorizing transactions. In the banking or transactions area, review the imported bank feed regularly. For each item, choose the correct income or expense account so that everything is properly categorized. Over time, QuickBooks will start remembering your choices and suggest categories automatically. If your bank feed misses something, or if a transaction needs to be entered manually, use the New button to record things like expenses, bills, or other payments. This keeps your records complete. You can also create and send invoices directly from QuickBooks. Set up your customer, add the products or services, and email the invoice right from the system so everything ties back to your bookkeeping. Next is reconciling and reporting. At least once a month, reconcile your bank and credit card accounts by comparing QuickBooks to your official statements. The goal is that every transaction on the statement is matched in QuickBooks. This process helps you catch duplicates, missing entries, or errors. After reconciling, run key financial reports. A profit and loss report shows what you earned and what you spent over a period of time and gives you a clear picture of your business's performance. When needed, use adjusting journal entries to correct balances or handle more complex accounting entries, ideally with guidance from a professional. Finally, let's talk about ongoing management and best practices. Each week, check for overdue invoices and send gentle reminders to customers. Review unpaid supplier bills so you know what's coming up and can plan your cash flow. At the end of each month, reconcile your accounts and run your monthly profit and loss report. This monthly rhythm keeps you informed and makes tax time much easier. It's also a good idea to meet with an accountant on a quarterly basis. They can review your books, help you understand tax implications, and suggest improvements. For any transactions you're unsure how to categorize, create, and use an Ask My Accountant account. Put those tricky items there so your accountant can review and sort them correctly later. And finally, keep learning. QuickBooks Online offers many features, and online tutorials can help you get more efficient and confident over time. By following these steps consistently, you'll have a clear, organized bookkeeping system inside QuickBooks Online that truly supports your business.